Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 4xe in Stingray. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 32,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Rock Track heavy-duty full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7734.